Assalamu alaikum viewers. In today's lesson we'll be looking at reading from these examples, which are amsilatun ala qiraati huruf ma harakati fathi wa kasri wa dhammi wa shaddati wa tanween wal mad. So we are considering reading with fatha sound, kasra sound, dhamma sound, and shaddu, then the nunation, tanween, and the maddu. To start with the example over here, we have, you can read alongside with me, kadhaba. This letter kaf, zal, and ba is what we use over here. So kadhaba, kadhabun, 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 kadhaban, kadhaban, kadhabin, kadhabin. So this and this and this are with the nunation sound. Also this together with the stress sound, shaddu. So we have it again as kadhaba, kadhabun, kadhabun, kadhaban, kadhabin. The next one, we have it as additional elongation. So in this case, wherever we see this elongation shape this way, on top of the three basic elongation, wherever we see this sound on top of these three basic elongation, then we are going to increase the elongation. In addition, we are going to increase the elongation more than it was when it was not appear with this sign. So we have this to be kadhabun, kadhabun. The next one, we have kadhubun, kadhubun. Also, the one that follows it, kadhibun, kadhibun. Also read as kadhibun. Now let's compare these together as kadhaba, kadhabun, kadhabun, kadhubun, kadhibun, kadhabun. This time around with the stress sound shaddatu. Kadhabun, 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 kadhubun, kadhibun, kadhibun. Okay, let's move down to another kind of elongation. This time around, we are going to be introducing the other type of elongation here. This is what termed as Maddu. Maddu. So the way that sound is different to the previous Maddu. And Maddu is expressed with two letters, the wow and the ya. Okay, As we can see here, we have ta on top of the, followed by wa. On top of the wa, we have sukun. We also have ta, then ya, which is ta and sukun. That is fatha and sukun. So in this case, it sounds different with the one we learned earlier. So we will compare them here, inshallah. Then follow me as I do. Tau, 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 tai, tai, tai. So the one we know before is when we elongate with wa using dhamma, elongate with ya using kasra, which is tu, ti. So if we compare the Maddu lin over here on top with the Maddu as layun, the initial dhamma, the initial Maddu, we then have tau, tu, tai, ti. Also we have lau using the lam, lau, lu, lai, li, lai, li. Let's go over it again. Tau, tu, tai, ti, lau, lu, lai, li, lai, li. Also, we have the last set example here, which we are also going to compare together, as we've said earlier. You can read with me as well. Tawa, tawalauna, 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 tawalauna. Here we are stressing the lam. Tawalauna, tawaluna, 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 as we have expressed it over here too. Let's go over it again. Tawalauna, tawalauna, tawaluna, tawaluna. Again. Tawalauna, tawalauna, tawaluna, tawaluna. Hope you have been able to get this better. Please go over it again so you can perfectly do it well on your own. We are going to end this video here, and we'll see in the next lesson. Stay safe. We'll see in the next lesson. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.